मसाबा नाम का एक मतलब मैंने कहीं पर पढ़ा कि स्वाहिली में इट मींस प्रिंसेस, एंड नीना गुप्ता's princess, or shall we say her queen with a hot mess, is out with a unique web series called Masaba Basaba. It comes out on Netflix in a week from now. Twitter bio says you're a smallish actor. How are you a smallish actor if you're doing a first of its kind fiction plus non-fiction show?
Yeah, I am a smallish actor यार. मुझे कोई मतलब मैं ना जब वो करूंगी what do you call it, a period film, when I do a lead role in that, then I'll call myself a biggish actor. No, I just think that this is my sort of debut, and it's the first time I'm doing this. And of course, the series is named after me, but I think this is my way of saying कि बाबा ज़्यादा उड़ो मत, ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है. So think of yourself as a very small piece in the universe, and everything will be fine.
लेकिन मैम, अगर इस शो का नाम मसाबा मसाबा के बदले या फिर इसके बाद अगर नीना नीना बने तो उसका फ्लेवर काफी अलग होगा.
नेवर 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 नेवर. उसका मतलब मजा ही नहीं है, नाम में ही मजा नहीं है डबल होने का.
लेकिन the flavor will be very different, right? Masaba, the flavor of your mom's life beyond what the world always talks about. I'm sure there is so much more to her. वो flavor अलग होगा.
Yeah, of course.
I think alag to hoga, but the common thread that will be there will be that it'll still have humor, and it'll still be a very funny, hilarious take on her life. And I think that's something that's a common factor with the Gupta women, as they say. Laugh at yourself.
Excellent. Neil, please don't kill me for asking you this, but how many times have you been identified with the words good-looking rascal in a public place?
God bless you for asking, Jay. God bless you for asking. Sir, I have to say, now that I'm going to this call as a therapy session, that not many people call me the good-looking rascal anymore. Shayad age, maybe it's the climate change or the corona, and now we have to wear masks, so nobody can tell that I'm fairly good-looking under the mask. But it used to run for a little while, and I enjoyed it there.
मैम, मसावा क्या सचमुच बचपन में बड़े सवाल पूछा करती थी? क्या सवाल पूछा करती थी आपको बार बार? मैंने ट्रेलर देखा, उसमें से ये रेफरेंस निकला.
Actually, मसाबा ज्यादा सवाल नहीं पूछी. मसाबा was a very quiet and shy child. She even now वो सब कुछ अंदर जमा करके रखती थी. In fact, उल्टी थी. वो बाहर बोलती नहीं थी, अंदर जो which is a very dangerous thing. जो बोल देते हैं समझ में आ जाता है कि इनको तकलीफ है कि नहीं है, पर ये तो बिल्कुल अंदर घुसा के रखती थी, which I was used to get very worried for.
So if Masaba is such an introvert, Neil, how was the icebreaker like? Did you guys know each other socially before you started working on the show?
We had met once, if Masaba remembers this flight that we took back from Delhi to Bombay.
It was Christmas Eve.
And it was Christmas Eve. Oh, yes.
It was Christmas Eve.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This was at least maybe a little less than 10 years ago. And I introduced myself, and I was traveling alone, and so was Masaba, unless you did have a team somewhere. And I was like,
no.
Chalo. But we knew of each other. And of course, Masaba Gupta is a very famous, one of the most famous Indian people we have. And we just had a regular conversation about VJing, music, life. And then years later, we meet again at Panchmi's place, our casting director, to then sit down and sit with work. And I think the best way to hang out with people is through work, because a goal hai, and you're collectively working, you're spending all your best energy trying to make something and put it up. I think that's the biggest gift you can get to spend with time with someone.
ट्रेलर में एक और मोमेंट देखा which really cracked me up, where your assistant comes and says कुत्तों के लिए आउटफिट बनाना है. Does that really happen? I mean, how much of it is autobiographical and how much of it is fictionalized or dramatized?
That's really happened.
So actually, no, it happened a little differently. It didn't happen for dogs. It happened when I was styling a film. So one of the first few films that I styled, and everyone said कि film style करो, बड़ा अच्छा experience होता है, बड़े. And I reached the set, and one day the AD comes to me and tells me, you have to make clothes for some 13 or 14 dogs. And I said, dogs? And they said, yeah, you have to design clothes for them. I said, why do they need clothes? Just go buy them from a pet shop. No, they have designer clothes and blah, blah, blah. Some character they were playing. And I walked into this room with these 13 dogs who were going mad because they were locked up in this room, poor things. And I'm allergic to dogs. So मेरे एक हाथ में मेरा asthma pump inhaler और एक हाथ में कपड़े, and I was putting clothes on. It was torture. And then one day at 11 o'clock in the somebody rang the doorbell. I used to live with mom that time. And they said, ma'am, कुत्तों के कपड़े आए हैं. And mom said, तुम कुत्तों के कपड़े बनाए? What is this? So so that has happened, but we just spun it a little differently for this show. But show में काफी fiction है, so I would say 60% is maybe reality and 60% is fiction. But even the fiction is loosely inspired by things that have happened to me or to somebody I know, or something that has happened but has just been turned around so that किसी को मतलब गुस्सा ना आए उस हिसाब से.
Ma'am Rathav, you said Masaba has been a good child who listens to me so long as I don't shout at her, which is true for every mother-child relationship on this planet. कि मम्मी जब चिल्लाती तो बात नहीं बनती. तो मसाबा को किस बात पर डांट पड़ी है बचपन में?
बचपन में नहीं इतनी पड़ी, जवानी में बहुत पड़ी है. जवानी वही जो सब कहते हैं, रात को नहीं जाना, इतने बजे वापस आना है, इससे नहीं मिलना, ये लड़का अच्छा नहीं है, ये नहीं खाना, यहाँ जाना है तो किसी को साथ लेके जाना है. उस सब पे बहुत डांट पड़ी है, बहुत जबरदस्त. ये अपना स्किन का ध्यान नहीं रखती हो, टेनिस मत खेलो, धूप में स्किन खराब हो जाएगी, ये सब पे बहुत डांट पड़ती थी. एक्चुअली छोटी थी तो बहुत अच्छी थी, पैदा तो अच्छी की थी मैंने बहुत.
लेकिन मैम आपका चाइल्डहुड तो करोल बाग में बीता, which is a very different world. How different was her childhood from yours?
Oh, very different, totally different. हमारे घर में तो 9 बजे लाइट ऑफ हो जाती थी, हम सो जाते थे, दूध गरम गरम दूध का गिलास पी के. हमें पता नहीं था कि क्लब क्या होता है, हमें कुछ नहीं पता था. हम बाहर भी नहीं जाते थे, संडे को पिक्चर देखते थे टीवी में, फ्राइडे को चित्रहार देखते थे टीवी में. So our lifestyle, everything was totally different than how Masaba has been brought up, and because I also changed with the times, as a mother I changed, and I saw other mothers and I learned so much from them also. So it was very different.
तो मम्मी चित्रहार देखती थी, बेटी का शो नेटफ्लिक्स पे आ रहा है, so clearly life has moved a great deal as well. Masaba,
Yeah.
the one thing that I don't like is how every anchor, every journalist will ask your mother about the same thing, and so very little is known about her life apart from that one chapter. But tell us about her other quirks in life, the fun bits, because she's become quite cool on Instagram these days.
The fun bits are that she is actually she loves wearing shorts. She thinks that, and someone told her that at this age you can't wear shorts. So she loves wearing shorts, and she's like, मुझे फ्रॉक पहननी है. So she said, तुम फ्रॉक क्यों नहीं बनाती? Then we made her some frocks because she likes frocks. So the fun bit about mom is that she's living in reverse. You think she's 60, but she's actually living the life of a debutante actress at the age of 30. That's what's happened.
Wow.
So I think,
and
I think that's the fun
she's
bit
just
about
done a
her.
100 crore rupee film as well, right? Last year. So she's on a roll.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
I mean, she's सब reverse में चल रहा है.
Excellent. Neil, you've been a radio jockey, you've been a VJ as well. So imagine you were doing a promotional interview for Masaba Masaba. What would you ask Neena ji and Masaba?
I try to ask these really good questions that you are asking. But what I would ask you is, Did you have some sort of like a family culture in terms of holidays? Did you all every summer or winter? Was there some rhythm that you kept going on travel, or was it just
Yeah, we
enjoying the
totally
journey of
did.
life?
No,
We
no,
have
no.
Interesting.
The
a group
journey of
of
life, we
yeah,
have a group of friends. Yeah. So we used to
yeah,
go to the
Amazing.
US every summer
Every summer, ठीक है.
with this friend of mum and her daughters, and I'll never forget that time. There only used to be that very late, middle of the night flight to the US, and we
Mm,
used to go there. And subah 3-4 baje we used to leave the house and go to the US for 2 months, and it was great fun because that time there was no
fantastic.
social media, there was nothing. We would just
No,
absorb the place.
yeah,
We were not taking photographs. We were not bothered about anything. We were just kids eating a lot of ice cream because that time you wouldn't even get like
right.
imported ice cream, you know.
No
So that
judge.
was
Yeah,
a fun
yeah,
time. I
of
think
course.
that was our culture. Yeah, yeah.
These
yeah.
sort of rhythms, I like to know about how a professional actor balances out your family time, because sometimes the work can take over your life so much when there's a project or something. But how do you balance it out? So that's my main hustle.
Ex-
I'll write down more questions though. I'll find out from you.
Excellent. You know, this mother daughter duo is a pretty cool one. But Masaba, on set, apart from the director, who's the boss?
It was me only, I think. I think it was me only
I
because
believe so. Yeah.
yeah, because I was in every other scene and I was like,
Yeah.
मैं मतलब I used to keep ordering food and I used to keep doing all these rubbish things, and I could do anything. I could walk on any part of the set. I could be sitting anywhere. I could decide कि अच्छा, you know, we'll do this scene tomorrow. I could do all of everything, but I think you can tell na, by a vibe who's the boss. But I have to say Sonam was
Yeah.
she was the admire, and वो जो बोलती थी मैं कर देती थी. So yeah.
Excellent. नीना जी, आपने इम्प्रोवाइज किया क्योंकि कहानी तो आपकी खुद की, आप you're playing yourself. So would you strictly stick to what was written, or would you just go on the fly and say जो मन में आया, maybe the odd pop up in the head and you just improvise? ऐसा हुआ कुछ?
हाँ, कभी कभी इम्प्रोवाइज किया, बट आई टोल्ड द डायरेक्टर कि इसकी जगह अगर मैं ऐसे बोलूँ या ये एक ऐड कर लूँ, क्योंकि दिस माइट बिकम मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड सोनम, इफ शी लाइक्ड इट, शी सेड या गो अहेड. सो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बिकॉज स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी थी, बहुत अच्छी लिखी थी, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ ये. पर जहाँ मुझे लगा मैं कर सकती थी, ऐसी कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं थी.
Excellent. So on set, it looks like Masaba was the boss, but Neil, your boss at home
Yes,
is
sir.
herself an accomplished casting director. That would help, wouldn't it?
Yes, yes, very
Who's
much. I've
also done
also
a
realized I'm
cameo in
in.
the show.
Thank you,
Ah, okay.
Masaba, for saying that.
Yes,
The first
yes.
batch of interviews, I forgot that Nandini was also in the show.
Yeah,
But
I remember my
yes,
lunch.
Nandini Shrikant, world famous casting director, is who I'm married to and is in the show. And yeah, I've also realized I'm a person I'm more of a sheep I like following orders. I need to be told what to do next in the day. Otherwise, I'll just sit like a plant and do nothing.
Excellent. So very quickly, we have very little time left. Let's talk about your favorite scenes. We'll start with Masaba.
So there was this. All my scenes with my therapist in the show, who's being played by Pooja Bedi, are amazing. I love them because, and they're actually very, very closely inspired by this therapist who I went to, who I would not recommend at all. That's one. The second is there's a really, really fun show that I do, which is on a boat. तो वो एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ में हुआ था और हमने उसको रिक्रिएट किया था एट अ वेरी लार्ज स्केल, and it's hilarious. I think everyone will enjoy that. And I think all my scenes with Mom and Neil for sure, because they were fun, they were real, so it was great fun.
Ma'am?
My favorite scene is with Masaba when she leaves the house. That's my favorite scene. where she's very agitated and I also get angry at her and she leaves, and after she leaves, I feel very bad, and I'm worrying all the time that she's left. That's my favorite scene, actually.
Excellent. Neil.
The boat would definitely by far be the my favorite scene. The entire, it's not even just one scene. From the time you step on
It's
that
a
boat,
full episode,
what
I think.
happens? The whole episode is so fantastic. Never before have I seen something like this. So just when we were reading it, also it's just fun that your name is on the paper, that you are part of this entire fiasco जो हो रही है. बड़ा मजा है.
सुपर. सो आई एम गोना लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दिस बोट सीन. मुझे लगता है बोट मजा आने वाला है ये शो देखकर. 28 अगस्त को आ रहा है कॉल्ड मसाबा मसाबा. और एक टेक अवे जरूर होगा कि भैया अफ्रीका में मसाबा नाम की कोई कंट्री नहीं है.
कंट्री नहीं है. हाँ.
Please watch the show. It comes out on Netflix on the 28th of August. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, Manish. Thanks.